If your iPhone apps keep crashing, here are some simple ways to fix the problem. You want to check if the particular app in question needs an audit. For you to do that, go over to the App Store and type on your profile. Once you're here, you want to type on App Update. You want to check if this particular app in question is here, and if it needs an update, you want to go ahead and update that particular app. Or better still, you can go ahead and update all your apps on your phone, because sometimes developers often release updates to fix bugs that can cause apps to crash. And as well, you should make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. To check that, you want to go back to Setting, come back to General, and hit on Software Audit. If there is any updates available right here, you want to go ahead and install that update, because most of the time a newer version can improve app stability and fix compatibility issues. But if in other cases you know the particular app in question that is crashing, what you need to do in this scenario is to go ahead and delete the app and reinstall it again. For you to do that, you want to hold on to the app and you want to come over to where it says remove app. Here you can actually delete the app. Once you delete the app, go back to your Play Store again and download the same app, because sometimes this can as well fix the damaged app files on your phone. Another thing you can possibly do is to check the iPhone storage. For you to do that, you want to come back to Setting, come back to General, and tap on iPhone storage. In this case, if you know your storage is running low, you want to go ahead and delete most of the apps that you currently not using, and you can as well restart your iPhone, because this at times can also help with the issue of app crashing. And if none of these steps work, the problem might be with the app itself. In this case, wait for the developer to release an update or contact their support system.